Hello everyone, this is Vikrant and today we are going to talk about Mode Network Hackathon. The objective of this hackathon is to build an AI agent which can handle our Twitter handle all by itself through an AI agent. It will tweet, it will retweet, it will replies to the post all by itself. So let's proceed. First, we have to go to Twitter Scraper fine-tuned repository of Eliza OS. So we will go to code, we will go to GitHub CLI and we will copy that code. We will paste it. So here you can see Twitter Scraper fine-tune package is loaded. So we will enter to it Twitter. After that, we will go to the same page. We will do npm install. We'll copy it. After that, we'll go to the same page. We will set up our environment file. We'll go to scraper fine tune. We will go to env.example. Here you can see we have to edit all of this. We will replace Twitter username with your respective. We will assign Twitter username with your username, Twitter password with your password, Twitter email with your respective email of account. Blog URL file we will edit, max tweets, max retries, retry delays, min delay. Max delays are the parameters we will have to specify. So for that, blog URLs, first we'll have to create a file here. Right click on Twitter scraper fine tune, new file, name it text, blog URL dot text. So we have to copy that env example, paste it, rename it, what we have copied, rename it to .env. We have to edit, we have to edit that .env file, not .env .example. We have to edit our .env file. So username, you will put username, your username, blog URL file path, right click on blog URL, copy path. Okay, you have to max tweets 3, max retries 5, retry delays 10, minimum delays 10, max delays 10, 60, username password. So we set up our .env file, we have completed it. After that we will go to the same page. We will run Twitter, npm run Twitter, our Twitter account username. Here I am using mode network. We will going to build an AI agent based on mode network profile. So you can see that we are building our AI agent. So what this will do, this will copy all the tweets to our blog url.txt. You have to proceed with that. Okay, after that we will go to npm run blog. We'll copy it, we'll paste it. Okay, here in src blog we can see that there is blog list dot scrape blogs.js, and in our module is built on blog scrape.js. So we will rename our scrape blog.js to blog scrape.js. So for that we will use mv scrape. We will go to that location, cd src cd blog. We will rename it, rename the scrape blog.js to our to this name, blog scrape scrape.js. So we can see that name has been changed. Again we will run our model, previous code, npm run blog. So you can see that code is running. Okay, so don't forget to rename that scrape blog.js. It's most important part. After that we will create our character based on mode network. So we will copy, we have copied that npm run character with a date. So work is done. The next thing we have to do is to install Eliza library. For that we will do clear command. After that we will go to Eliza library. We have to clone the Eliza library. Okay, and we have to clone it on new folder. So git Eliza okay. So all the repository content will go to the Eliza folder. Here we can see that Eliza folder. Okay, so there is two folder in our ELI environment. First one is Eliza, second one is Twitter scraper. After that we will go to nvm message. Here we will go to nvm nvm repository in nvm message. There we will copy this command, curl command. We will paste it. We have to have node 23.3.0 version for Eliza to run. So that's why we are doing all this cloning and all. So after that we'll copy this command vnvm, paste it there. After that nvm install 23.3.0. So we got our node version 23.3.0. we can check it also. After that we'll build our pm library. We'll install it. Okay, we'll go to Eliza. Here we have to set up our environment. Again, we have to set up our environment. So here what we will do, we will enter our username, enter our password, enter our Twitter email ID, and we will enter here we will enter open router API key. After setting our .env file, we will go to Eliza and will run pnpmi, that is pnpm install. Pnpm install, it will build. Okay, this is going error for that Discord JS Opus installation, so we can ignore it. We'll go for pnpm build. We have to ignore that error. Since we are focusing on Twitter AI agent, so we can ignore Discord agent, Discord package. So our build is completed. So it's time to run our character file. So we'll go to Twitter scraper, characters, copy our character, what we have built based on mode network. Copy it on characters, right click on character, paste. So we have mode network. We have to edit this mode network. Replace this with your Twitter account. This is my Twitter account. Okay. Replace with I'm using open router model. So I'm using open router. This is my Twitter account. Mode network. So you can see how our agent looks. We have to edit the client. So we have to set client as Twitter. After that, we will start our character. So finally, our agent is successful. Our AI agent built on mod network is successful. You can add bio, lore, examples, just increase the number of tweets and you will get all the examples how to generate the how many numbers you want in your examples. So tweet is done. Let's check our Twitter. So we can see that login is done. go to our profile, we'll see replies. So we get 3 posts. Okay, our code is still running. Okay, for every interval it will do retweet, tweet or repost.